Hello everyone, welcome to Parak, the quizzing festival brought to you by IIT Patna. I am Khushi and I'll be your quiz master for Once Upon a Time, the under 25 solo quiz on tales and stories. The rules of the quiz are: the quiz is open for under 25 participants only, that is, people of 25 years or underage. There are 25 questions in the quiz. Each question carry 1 point. No negatives. In case of multiple parts to the question, points will be divided equally. Question number 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 are star marked. They will be used to resolve ties. A camera icon on the top left indicates that an image follows the question slide. You have to type in your answers in the G form only, the link to which is in the description of this video, and if you are on the website, you'll find the GForm on the right for desktop users and bottom for mobile users. You have to submit the GForm within 90 seconds after the last question is closed. There will be no rerun of questions. Please note that there will be no rerun of questions. Any unfair means would lead to immediate disqualification. So let's start with the quiz. And the first question is: they say that he was born out of the darkness, weak and lost, but while traveling aimlessly experiencing the world, he realized something. And once he did, he flew out of it, out of the darkness, to create. X is a figure of greatest prominence in Inuit culture. It is a creature capable of taking the form of an animal, human, even objects. As the tale goes, X made the world and brought light. It is also said that he had taught the first man to respect the world. It is also depicted as a trickster, often focused on satisfying his own needs. These tales have been well adapted in many children's books. The newer versions of these stories are also criticized for portraying much nicer X, with little left from the original greedy one. In 2004, a series of half-hour animated television programs was developed. The series targeted school-age children and their families, bringing North American history to life, teaching while it entertains and engages. This animated series tells stories of X's adventures. Give the name of the series. And the picture is, so you have to identify the name of this series. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. So the second question: X is a type of fairy or ghost described in the folklore of Great Britain and Ireland, though regional varieties exist in other cultures. They were believed to be evil spirits or impure souls that haunted marshes at night, leading unwary travelers into dangerous areas where they would become lost or even drown them. X is also a non-damaging fire-type move introduced in Generation 3 of Pokemon. It causes the target to become burned if it hits. Also, a British cartoon series titled X was produced in 1981. X is a sprite formed from gas who narrates each story. The 5-minute cartoon show became popular with children and adults as it bridged the gap between the end of weekday children's programming and the early evening news. Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. The third question. According to a Japanese tale, an emperor had married the beautiful maiden Kaguya. It was later revealed that Kaguya was no ordinary mortal, but belonged to the land of the moon folk. Kaguya spent a few months in the emperor's palace before she went to the palace where she belonged. While leaving, Lady Kaguya left a bamboo scroll and the elixir of life for the emperor. The emperor, overwhelmed by the grief of losing her, ordered one of his officials to take these objects to a place which would be closest to the moon folk and burn them. The official religiously followed the order that was given. It is believed that since this incident, the place acquired this name, which means never dying. And men say that the smoke of that burning still curls from here to mingle with the clouds of heaven, which is the place we are talking about. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. So, next question, question 4. As it is said, once you have a name for something, you have power over it. Named after a fairy tale, this is a well established principle in psychology, management, trial law, and teaching. Shown is a modern illustration of the fairy tale. It is a rare story where the title refers to the villain, which, when translated from German, means short, rattle, post, or pole. Name the fairy tale. Moving to the next question in 5 seconds. So please note, question number 5 is a star marked question. For centuries, the indigenous people of South Australia have lived with nature in harmony and passed down tales about creatures they shared the world with. They tell stories of how all birds were once snow white until X, as luck would have it, set a big wildfire. It ran towards a cave for shelter but was burnt all over. X is an important bird in the South Australian culture and is believed to help carry spirits of the dead to afterlife. According to some stories, Y, in the picture, is the first creature ever to die. The death of the creature caused beginning of quests to understand mortality. Y are popular caged birds worldwide and are known to be affectionate and social pets. Identify X and Y seen as yin and yang in the Australian culture, complementing and stabilizing each other's characters. Moving to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 6. In the 14th century, Europe suffered a prolonged period of winter storms, resulting in widespread flooding and destruction. Due to the adverse conditions, there were widespread crop failures and livestock drowned or starved. The period is marked by extreme level of crimes, even cannibalism. The tale X is believed to have originated at this time in which the titular protagonists have been abandoned by their parents are taken in by an old woman who plans to roast and eat them. The death of the mother or stepmother just after the death of the antagonist meant that both women were metaphorically the same. Folklorists believe that this played a role in emergence of hostile stepmother motif. Identify the tale. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 7. Popular by his alias X, he was born deaf and received hearing implants, after which he focused obsessively on sound based technology and eventually joined a criminal association. After an incident that led to widespread destruction in multiple universes, X undergoes a change of heart. He is then known to have worked for the poor and the underprivileged. The alias X is also the name of a character from a German folktale. Apart from the name, he also shares his powers and abilities with this legendary namesake. During his time in prison, he uses his powers on a vermin, thus adding another similarity with the folktale. Name the folktale or identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 8. 1001 Nights is a magnificent collection of ancient tales told by the wife who relates them as entertainment for her jealous and murderous husband, hoping to keep him amused and herself alive. The influence of this collection on world is immense as seen by the portrayal of X as the wife-like character in X's third movie. The character X is created by Warner Brothers as part of animated short film series, emerging as one of the biggest stars of the so-called golden age of American animation. X is also characterized by a Brooklyn accent, portrayed as a trickster and with an iconic catchphrase. Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 9. Given on the next slide are the lyrics of a song that makes reference to the coronavirus situation and takes aim at the country head's poor handling of the pandemic. Blanked out lyric is an idiom, modified, which comes from a Danish folktale. A similar version of the folktale is found in Indian literature, in which a merchant deceives the king using a supernatural garment. The tale shows how a ruler will proudly continue to lie even on being publicly outed. The idiom is mostly used to describe social and political ignorance, a situation where everyone willingly pretends to be ignorant because they believe the others are not. What is the idiom or name the tale? Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 10. Please note it is another star marked question. The man was heavy and plenty tall, louder than storm rode his call. Along with his dearest blue ox he went, the tales of his labors meeting no end. X, a folk hero in American and Canadian folklore, originated in the oral tradition of North American loggers and was later popularized by a freelance writer in a promotional pamphlet for a lumber company. The killing of two US Army officers, Korean axe murder incident, led to the launch of Operation X, a show of force to intimidate North Korea into backing down. The incident is also known as the Hachette incident. Across North America, giant statues of X were erected to promote local businesses and tourism. It also finds mention in a novel by Stephen King, Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 11. Shown here is the advertisement of a skincare product, the secret to Peter Pan's youthful appearance. The advertisement alludes to the tagline of the product and suggests maybe this is the secret behind Peter Pan's ageless appearance. Guess the name of the product. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 12. X is a mythical entity originating from Chinese culture and was eventually transmitted and introduced to the Japanese and Korean cultures. In East Asian folklore, they are depicted as a spirit possessed of magical powers, mischievous, usually tricking other people, and with the ability to disguise themselves as beautiful women. Depending on the origin, X can be both a good or bad omen. In Japan, it has a similar reputation. A famous manga series follows the story of a young teen, a wannabe ninja student who strives to be the next village leader. However, is shunned by many because his body is the host of an incredible beast called the X. Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 13. The creators of fictional superhero X were inspired by a humanoid entity found in Y folktales. X, as a bold protector, gives an all American twist to a 400-year-old legend, a transformation not into a man of stone, as described in Y folktales, but one of dash. Both X and the humanoid entity are known to have been created to avenge evil on behalf of the weak and the powerless. In addition, from the very beginning, X was an outsider. He came from somewhere else and, despite his best efforts, never quite fits in. This dual identity and status as outsiders was not a foreign concept for Y immigrants. Identify X and the community Y. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 14. Morgan was allowed to have two friends over each year for her birthday. This year, she'd celebrate on 30th May, a sleepover that turned into something much less innocent. May 31 in Waukesha, third most populous county in Wisconsin, saw two girls luring a friend into the woods and stabbing her. In 2009, the character X, a work of fiction, originated as an internet meme. X shares a few traits with a Japanese yokai that looks like a human but has no face. X is believed to be a thin and unnaturally tall, wearing a black suit. Created in a contest in which users were challenged to create paranormal images, it soon became an inspiration for murder. Both suspects in the incident mentioned earlier explained the stabbing to police, referencing their dedication to X, the character they discovered on a website devoted to horror stories. Identify X. Moving on in 5 seconds. Question number 15. Please note it is a star marked question. The tale, as it is usually told, speaks of the time when he had all of them stories. The stories of X, originating from Ghana, have been passed down over generations. The character is also known throughout West Africa and is popular in the Caribbean due to the ancient fables which were carried by enslaved Africans. Despite taking on the role of the trickster, X's actions and lessons often carry him as a protagonist due to his ability to transform his apparent weakness into virtues. He often takes the shape of a spider and is considered to be god of knowledge of all stories. The English rock band Y took the name of this character but with a slightly different spelling. They were sometimes grouped as part of Brit rock movement. One of its members described it as a clit rock group, which critics clarify as a blend of heavy metal and black feminist rage. Name the band Y. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 16. An ancient folktale from a northeastern state in India highlights the close relationship between man, spirit, and eggs. As the story goes, man and spirit were in connivence in sending eggs to the jungle. This because when their mother was dying and the three children took turns to care for the mother, X was always smelling the mother's flesh. However, man deeply missed both his brothers and in order to bring them back, introduced many rituals to appease the spirit and X. Hence, the peculiar customs of indigenous tribes can be attributed to this folk tale. Till date, tribal people from this community avoid killing eggs, and if at all they do, they fill the egg's mouth with water so that it cannot utter its killer's name properly. In addition to this, the story reiterates the fact that humans have been using their intellect to exploit and tame other species. It also draws our attention to recognize animal rights and treat them with compassion. Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 17. X was founded in 2013. With the introduction of its mobile application 2 years later, it revolutionized the market. It brands itself as a tool to help non professionals. The company was recently in news due to an action taken to tackle an unprecedented situation. The action caused quite an uproar, with people complaining how the action was in contradiction with the company's motto. The company derives its name from a popular English folktale. The company X aims to provide everyone with easy access to the market and not just the elite section of society. Identify X. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question 18. Shown here is a chocolate frog card of the inventor of the flu powder, which emits green flames when used by wizards for teleportation in the Harry Potter novel series. Looking at the chocolate frog card of hers, one can see the striking similarity between her and the real world fairy tale character X. The similarity does not stop only at appearance, as in the films centered on X, the X is also associated with green flames whenever the character teleports themselves. Also, she is a Ravenclaw, and in the films on X, a raven is shown as a companion of X. Identify X. Moving on in 5 seconds. Question 19. In Tokyo, there is a temple which serves as a shrine to a mythical creature from Japanese folklore. Legend has it that the neighborhood near the temple is situated in proximity to a river, making it prone to floods. In 1800s, to reduce the damages caused by the flood, an umbrella and raincoat merchant funded the construction of embankments. Many tales suggest that during the construction, the merchant received help from the mythical creature. Their life force is tied to the liquid contained in the cavity on their heads. In case the liquid dries up or gets spilled, it can lead to death of the creature. They are often portrayed as swindlers, but are also known to take away a mythical organ known to contain souls from the body of their victims. Identify the mythical creature. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question 20. Please note this is also a star marked question. Given is an excerpt from a story as told by first Australians. He is called Dash, and he was fat and big and round and lazy. He did nothing to help, and that angered his wives and children. So they chopped off bits of him, and he got thinner and thinner. Eventually, he died and stayed dead for 3 nights before he came back to life. He cursed everyone and said that when he died, he would come back to life, but when others died, they would stay dead. The story explains a periodic phenomenon. Who or what is the big, fat, and round man being referred to in the story? Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 21. Grant Morrison launched a web series titled 18 Days, which is an animated retelling of the Mahabharata. The episode in which has been introduced has a quite apt forward title which references the two forms that Hidimba takes, the form of Rakshasi, which is her natural form, and the other form of a beautiful human lady, which she attains due to her powers. The title will also remind you of an eponymous French fairy tale which is about how a man escapes a curse by finding true love despite his ugliness. What is the title of the episode, or what is the name of the French fairy tale? Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question number 22. In 2012, Google honored the creators of a very famous feature film by dedicating a doodle to them. The film takes inspiration from a 16th century Chinese novel, an extended account of pilgrimage to a neighboring country to obtain sacred religious texts. In Chinese mythology, X, the blanked out part in the picture given in the next slide, are known to confer longevity. X are also featured in the novel, wherein the lead character was made protector of X to keep him away from the trouble. However, he had his own personal banquet, clearing off an entire section of the orchard. Identify X and the novel, and the doodle is so you have to identify the blanked out part in the doodle. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question 23. Last year, with spread of coronavirus, instances of people hoarding hand sanitizers, batteries, and even toilet papers were reported. The name XY, two words red blank, applies to people who turn small misunderstandings into apocalypse or are unreasonably afraid. The name is derived from one of the many versions of a European folktale which deals with the subject of fear mongering and mass hysteria. Whenever there is a happy ending, the moral is not to be a X whenever things get hard. Identify XY, which also shares its name with a Disney movie with similar plot. Moving on to the next question in 5 seconds. Question 24. The Democratic Party's donkey and Republican Party's elephant have been in the political scene since 19th century. In the 1870s, an influential political cartoonist helped popularize these animals as symbol for the two parties. A newspaper criticized the sitting Republican president for possibly considering to contest for a third term in office. A cartoon was published mocking the newspaper for this, which also alluded to a fable. The cartoon used the false news of animals escaping from zoo as theme and depicted the newspaper as a dash whose ferocious appearance frightens the foolish animals. This was also the first time the elephant was used as a symbol. In Indian tales, the same situation appears, which plays on the motif of being discovered by one's voice. Identify the Aesop's fable, to which the cartoon alluded. Moving on to the last question in 5 seconds. Question number 25. Please note this is also a star marked question and the last question for this quiz. The X is one of the finest examples of the earliest Indian stone statues, dated to 3rd century BCE. It was discovered on the bank of river Ganga and then housed in a room at Patna High Court before being shifted to the Patna Museum, where it is a star attraction. The sculpture is based upon the legend of Bai, a species of supernatural entity preached by several religious groups. The tender ones are worshipped as tutelaries, the attendees of Kubera, whereas there are also mischievous ones that can haunt and curse humans for revenge or as simple acts for fun. According to Indian folklore, she appears as a beautiful woman to lonely wanderers at night, clad in a white sari with their hair flowing. She stops them with a simple request for lying for her betel nut. She then lures people to the gruesome fate awaiting them. Identify X. So This brings us to the end of the Tales and Stories quiz. You have 90 seconds to submit the G form, and please note the link to the answer discussion video is in the description and the submission page of the G forms provided to you. Last 30 seconds, please start submitting. Last 10 seconds now. So the time's up. The G form won't be accepting any responses from now on. Thank you. So again, the link to the answer discussion video is in the description of this video. So please click on the link to head over to the answer discussion.